Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Pennsylvania operating cop and robber car from Williams by Bachman, and let's get started. So to start with, I'll show you the detailing of the train car itself. So if you see there, we have the plastic boxes. They got some nice detailing on them, and then we have the cop and robber for the train car. They're pretty, they have some good details. They're well painted. And then I'll show you the mechanism that controls the movement. And this is basically what it is. When the wheels turn, it turns with it, and then that creates the movement for the cop and robber on the top. It's basically a mechanism that has a belt that makes it move. Alright, here are the instructions for the train car right here. It's really simple. You just gotta add oil for the axles right here, and that's what they're saying there. And then you gotta add grease for the gears here, that actually moves the cop and robber. But just a little bit, you don't need to apply too much. And then it also specifies that it does not require a special track or activating device. It just moves with the train once the train pulls the train car. One final piece of advice that the instructions lay out is that you should not operate this train car in carpeted areas or in places where the track has carpet under it, because if the fibers are loose, they might get caught up in the gears and then prevent it from moving, or just mess it up through getting it stuck. So just be careful about that. Alright, so for the cost of the train car, I paid around $90 to get this, but you could probably find this train car online on a used market for cheaper. I would only recommend this train car if you really want a special movement piece that has moving people on it, but you probably would want to use your money elsewhere if you are at a strict budget. So overall, I would recommend that if you want this car really badly, you can get it, but if you don't need it or want it, you could probably use your money elsewhere.